Yes.
Okay, next we're going to work problem 7.10, number 5.
Yes.
All right, and I'm going to read the problem while you write down the numbers. A
Okay.
dentist places a gold filling in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical top in a patient's tooth. The radius R of the filling is 1 millimeter. The height is 3 millimeters. Find the volume of the filling. If dental gold costs $92 per cubic meter, how much did the gold cost for the filling? Use 3.14 per pi. I'll read it again. A dentist places a gold filling in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical top in a patient's tooth. The radius R of the filling is 1 millimeter. The height is 3 millimeters. Find the volume of the filling. If dental gold costs $92 per cubic millimeter, how much did the gold cost for the filling? Use 3.14 for pi.
Okay.
All right, so we'll start by drawing our filling. It's a cylinder with a hemispherical top. Here's our cylinder, and it said that the height of the cylinder was 3 millimeters. But then it's got a hemispherical top. And it's telling us the radius is 1 millimeter. Okay, so we really need the volume of two shapes. Here we have the volume of a cylinder, and here we have the volume of the hemisphere that we're going to have to add together. So the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base times the height. Okay, now our base is a circle, so the area of the base is going to be pi times the radius squared. So pi times 1 squared. And then the height is 3. And it tells us to use 3.14 as the approximation for pi. So if we multiply all that together, it's 9, let's see, it's going to be actually 3 pi. 3 times 1 times 3.14.
4 times. Mm-hmm. Doctor, can I ask a question? Because the working I had there, although I did not, where do we get 2.09 cubic centimeter here? Because I know when you multiply 3 into 3 square meters, 3 point, is that,
You need pi times the radius squared times the height. The radius is 1 and the height is 3, so it should be pi times 1 squared times 3.
okay. 1 square is 1.
Yes. So it's 3.14 times 1 times 3.
Sir, can I have it, sir? Okay, I made a mistake there.
Okay, now we need the volume of this hemisphere up here at the top. Okay, now if we had the entire sphere, the volume of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, but since it's a hemisphere and we're just cutting it in half, we're going to divide by 2.
Okay.
So the 4 pi r squared piece is the volume of a sphere. And then we cut it in half to get the volume of the hemisphere. So we've got 4
4.
times pi, which is 3.14.
Please, I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
Where do we get the 4? We take the
It's a
2
formula. The formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 pi r squared.
Yes. Okay.
No, I'm sorry. That's the, sorry. I got it wrong. That's the surface area of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. I got it wrong.
Yes, that's all right. 4 top pi.
I put down the formula for the. I had down the formula for the surface area. Okay, so the volume of a sphere. I thought something was wrong in that it was squared instead of cubed. So it's 4/3 pi times the radius cubed, and then we still have to cut it in half for the hemisphere. So it's just half of a sphere. So in the denominator, you should also have a 2. So over here, it's 4 times pi, 4 times 3.14 times 1 to the 3rd power. And in the denominator, we're dividing by 3 and we're dividing by 2. So that's 4 times 3.14 divided by 3 divided by 2 is 2.093 repeating. Cubic millimeters.
Okay. Is it because of the volume of the half times 4.4 over 4/3 per radius cubic? That's where we got the 2 from the half.
Yeah, the 2 in the denominator is from cutting your sphere in half.
Okay.
In other words, you're multiplying it times a half.
Yeah. Oh.
So now we have to put these 2 volumes together to get the entire volume of the filling. So the volume of the filling is
That's totally wrong.
9.42 plus 2.093.
The total.
11.51. Cubic millimeters. Are you with me so far?
I know up to when we multiply, I know up to when we multiply 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 1. It gives us 12.56 divided by 3.2.
No, it's not 3.2. It's divided by 3 times 2, which is 6. So just divide it by 6.
Divided by 6. So it gives us 2.093. And now up to that, then I didn't see how you get the 11.51
Then add it on to
millimeter.
9.42. Do 2.093 plus 9.42.
Okay. Plus 9.42. 1151. So 109 plus 9.42 equal to 1.51 millimeter cubic. Hey, it's a long journey.
Are you getting 11.51 also?
Yes, I do. I want to
Okay,
go
and then
close to.
the last step is we have to find the cost of the filling, which is $92 per cubic millimeter. So we have to take this times $92.
11.51 times $92.
And it says to round to the nearest cent.
It gives me 1059.84.
I'm getting 1,058.92.
58. How did I go 59? 11, oh God. 11.51. I put 11.52. Yes. To the nearest cent is 1.058.9. If you think so. Oh, all right.
Okay, it's probably a rounding issue. Let me just see.
The rounding issue, I don't think we rounded anything. Okay, should we round it to be 59? Let me tell. Let me see. It's going to be 59.
No, it says rounded to the nearest cent.
It's not a dollar because what he was saying here, because we have a 1,058.92. So the two we cannot round it up because it's less than 5. So I just put 1,058.9.
But you're rounding to the nearest cent, to the nearest penny. So it'd be
That is what I'm saying.
$1,058.92.
I should put 92 cents.
Yeah.
Okay. Final answer. Oh yes, that's right. Oh God, it's not school. All is school. Then,